So right now I'm looking at a sell trend on a Circle. All right, so we are in on Circle right now. It pretty much had a good look up right now, steadily moving. Computer is just not moving great at all, bro. Just got lack of. There we go. Yeah. So cool deal. We could have made more, but walked away with this cool little 300. Decent. That took about, I want to say, let me see. It took about 2 minutes for trade, and we're pretty much done for the day. We're gonna hang out, see if we can find anything else. But until then, yeah, just post up. So.